Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can create Discord server link and invite a friend of yours. So that may be the server link which is created by you, means your own server, or any other popular server which you felt interesting and want to share that server link to your friend. First of all, I'll be telling you on the mobile device, later I'll be telling you on the laptop or PC. Okay, both I'll tell you. First we'll see on the mobile device. Open the Discord app. See, this is on the home screen, right? So these are the two servers which are created by me, and this is the server which I joined actually, which is a very popular server. Okay, first of all I'll click on this H which is created by me. Okay, and to invite someone, click on this people symbol here. Then you can invite a friend using this share invite or copy link. If you click on copy link, the link is copied, you can directly click on share and share to someone else, or you can directly email them or send a message or send the QR code, whatever it may be. Or if you want to invite someone who is already listed in your account as a friend, click on this invite. Okay, this is the server which is created by you. If it is other server which you already joined, tap on that particular server and same, click on this people symbol here. Here you can click on the copy link, or you can invite the people which are already in your account, or you can share via Facebook application, Instagram application, whatever it may be. Now we'll see it on the laptop.
Yeah, I'll tell you the same things on this laptop also. First of all, let me choose one of the server which I created and click on this drop down here and click on invite to server. So here you can copy this link and you can open your email and you can compose and you can paste the URL and you can add the recipients and send this link, or you can invite the people who are available as the friends for you already. Okay, I'm closing this. And for the server which you already joined, the popular server, here also see invite to server just beside the name of that popular server, or whichever the server you want to invite, click on this invite to server, the same procedure. Okay, I hope this video helps. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and if you do have any other questions, just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.